Hello students of class 8. In this video I am going to explain the Canadian Shield region. The Canadian Shield region is located in the northern part of North America around the Hudson Bay. It is bounded by Mackenzie River in the west, Labrador Highland in the east, Hudson Bay in the north, and the Great Lakes in the south. This Canadian Shield region is well known for its mineral wealth, and among the Shield region of the world, Canadian Shield is the largest. This Canadian Shield is also known by another name, that is Laurentian Plateau. Okay. This Canadian Shield region is actually an ancient erosional plateau which is made up of hard and old igneous and metamorphic rocks. The central mass, or the central portion of this Canadian Shield is higher than the surrounding regions of the shield area. Natural agents, specifically the glacier, had eroded this plateau during the time of last ice age. So the large depositions of moraines, which is a depositional feature of a glacier, and drumlins, again this is a glaciofluvial deposition. Depositional feature. Glaciofluvians means this drumlin has been formed by the action of both glacier and river. Okay. Which are some spectacular feature of landforms that is found over here. Many lakes are found over here which are of basically glacial origin. Due to this erosional activity, depressions are formed over here, which later formed the great lakes like the Athabasca, then Great Bear, then Great Slave, etc. Many rivers are found in this region, among them Nelson, Albany, Great Will are some of the rivers that are found in the Canadian Shield region. Okay, among all these rivers, Saskatchewan and the Red are the example of inland drainage system. Okay, next is the lakes. So over here, lakes forms the special characteristic feature these lakes are generally formed due to this glacial action. Examples of these great lakes are Deer, Great Bear, etc. So the climate of this region is of temperate type. So over here the average temperature during the winter is below the freezing point, say about -7 degrees Celsius, and during the summer time it is about 18 degrees Celsius. The total amount of rainfall this place receives is about 40 centimeter. Now let us see this place in the map. So this is the place, or this is the extension. You can see the Mackenzie over here, the Mackenzie River. So this is the total extension of the Canadian Shield from Mackenzie in the west to this Labrador Highlands, which is present over here in the east. This is the total extension of this Canadian Shield region. You can see many Great Lakes are present over here. This is Great Bear Lake, this is Great Slave Lake, this is Athabasca Lake, this is Winnipeg Lake. Okay, this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next other portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.